All right, round two. Oh, shall we? All over here. What time is it anyways? Oh my goodness. So let's... So I don't know what's going to come next, what I'm going to do next for the channel. My videos might go to some more cemeteries, we don't know, I don't know. We're just going to take some 7-iron here and just kind of screw around a little bit. But I do appreciate people coming to the videos. There's a couple places I want to go with some rail fanning downtown Minneapolis. I'm going to get around to it. So, those turkeys. There's a dead one out there. Just going to chip a 7-iron for fun. Just a half swing, nothing special. Where's the, let's see what the 6-iron is. Oop. Nothing special. GOPRO might be going back here pretty soon. We'll see what happens. Halloween's obviously next weekend. If I can keep it out as long as I can. We actually got rain the other day. Can't believe it. I've been trolling the haters over there on Sarasota Tim on their channel. Pretty funny. That was nice. Sometimes hitting golf balls is like good therapy. Kind of like me drinking alcohol again, right? Smoking marijuana, right? It's the best thing about hitting golf balls. Peyton Manning asked, well, if you had 2 hours, what would you do? He goes, I hit golf balls. So that's, but this used to be a Glen Sanitarium here. My mom worked here, my brother worked here. Made a nice driving range. Hennepin County owns it. 9 holes, fun. I've played it a few times, fun. Yep. Oh, let's see. The 8-iron out. Call these little chip shots when you're out, like maybe you're 100 yards out. You want to just get on the green. You know, you're kind of control the. You know, that one is like you put it out there. I'm not saying it's the greatest golf. When I play a lot of golf, I was pretty good handicap, but I don't play enough. I wish I could play. If I was an RVer in the country, I'd be playing golf, fishing every water park I could find, mini putting, state and national parks, and going to NASCARs and college football games. That's what I'd be doing if I was an RVer. I love water parks, love public golf courses, and any state parks and national parks that we all pay for. That'd be my RV channel. You know, Oregon coast. A lot you can videotape there, hang out at. That was a nice one. Just a very simple swing. Open face, nothing special. Really high. I wouldn't mind getting another set of irons someday. But don't play enough golf. If I was RVing around the country, God forbid she passed away, maybe I'd invest in it. But I don't play enough golf to justify. I can't afford it, but to go out and get a whole set of irons, I'd just get from like 4 iron, whatever, down to a wedge because I had a really nice sand wedge. That's all I would get. A lighter head. Golf's a fun game. Started when I was 10. At Oak Ridge, playing with the young caddies, turn them into capitalists, teaching how to play golf, playing with them Monday mornings. It was so much fun. Those kids were like 15. At the time I was like 30. They were better than I was. A couple of them got some free rides. It was one of my friend's nephew, my nephew's friend. One went to Texas, one went on a cross country one. They're both great guys, damn good golfers. I'm on scholar, both of them good shits. I love playing Monday morning with the caddies. It was fun. It was good. It was fun. I played fast. That's a slap, but still fun game to play. Anybody can play it. Like mini putting. Great day. Getting a little cloudy out right now, but not bad. The airport's getting kind of busy. New job's going fine. I mean, it's not great, but keeps me out of trouble. If I make it to 70, I'd love to be a caddy master or coach a Bantam C team in the wintertime. Get back to the game. I'd love to win the Powerball. Make some mosquitoes and have a hockey rink and then 2 rinks and floor hockey. Get back to the game. I dearly, dearly love hockey. Fun. Be gas. Whatever your sport you like, it's very, very rewarding. I teach them to read or write, right? Great thing. I work for International Hair Goods. They're back now. Cole was teaching Normandale Community College people how to speak Japanese and English, and the Japanese found about it, brought him back to Japan. They were telling me to re-educate him. He came very Americanized. He's a great guy. How you doing today? What are you doing for how's business? Japanese love to play golf. Benton Creek was our several rays. I got to play golf there. I had to spend $300, $250 a month for food. I said, I'll do it. I'll bypass my raise. Be careful. When they want to cut you off, they had to pay me a lot of money when I left. 6.5 years at 70+ grand. But we're timing this one. Or 10 or over. But anyways, something good for the channel. I wanted to go to Burnsville one, but it was closed. I was pissed. Not bad. It's a nice little chip. Got the 9-iron. They won't let us hit the grass because they want it to germinate. There she goes. He who has a gold sets a price. Get a little tired. This one I like. My nephew wanted a chipper, so we went to Costco a long time ago. I got this one a long time ago. I can spin it without even trying. But anyways, it's nice. So that's like about a 40-yard, just drops. It's a great chip right there. Like you going uphill, like that one. Boom. Bounces twice and stops. Nice and high. It dropped and stopped. Just with this technology, the ball just stops, maybe bounces one, sits. So like I'm going on a real fast green, just 50 yards out, close the face, boom, right at the pin, land on another golf ball. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed it. I had fun today doing some content for the Venture channel on the Action 4. Hope you guys are having a good summer. July 4th coming up when this comes out. July 4th. I did die on July 4th, so hope you guys are having a good summer, and hopefully hopefully don't have any hurricanes coming again. Anyways, guys, appreciate it very, very much. Dallas Cowboys. There it is, man. See y'all later, Beach Boys.